Hey everybody, it's Delaney with Premier RV in Bluegrass, Iowa, and today I'm going to take you through the all-new 2027 Brinkley Model Ix 24X. This brand new family bunkhouse travel trailer is upscale, luxurious, and it's half-ton towable, perfect for the whole family, and it's just going to be an all-around great camper for you. Let's get right into it. Starting inside, we are going to be walking right into the main living space. There are a few brand new things on the 2027 units, and I will get to those as we get through the video. But we're going to start off with your little dinette solution. This is that pull-out desk table. Comes with two chairs, so you can sit and use it as a desk, as a dining table, anything like that. You've got a nice little hidden drawer in there as well for utensils. That desk is just a really nice way to really maximize the space. Down below the pull-out table is where you will find these cabinets and also your Soundcore Boom 2 Bluetooth speaker that is waterproof. No outdoor speakers on this unit, but that is why they included this portable one, so you can take it inside and use it wherever you need. For more entertainment, you've also got a large flat screen smart TV above the dining table. Moving on to the kitchen, you've got tons of storage space in a unit this size with premium residential cabinets and drawers with dovetail joints, so these things are going to be super sturdy and strong for you. You've also got this nice pull-out trash bin with utility storage and integrated stow-and-go paper towel caddy. You have no oven in this unit, but that's okay because you have a convection air fryer microwave as well as a large stovetop, so you can use that for all of your cooking needs. Again, lots and lots of storage on this unit. You are definitely not going to be lacking in that area. For countertops in the kitchen as well, you've got solid surface counters. Those are a brand new 2027 edition. And I should also mention there is dishwasher prep underneath the sink in the kitchen. Moving back over to the living space, you've got these nice theater seats here. You've got cup holders and storage inside those theater seats, as well as nice window coverage on that slide box. For your refrigerator, you have a 10.7 cubic foot 12-volt fridge, and you also have access to this while the slide is in, which is perfect because when you're traveling, you don't want to have to put the slide out to access your fridge if you need something in it. Right next to the fridge, you have some more pantry storage, again with an outlet in there. If you wanted to put in a coffee machine or something like that, you can put it in there. Moving on from a main living space, we will head into the main bedroom. You've got a nice large queen island bed in this unit with tons of storage. This is also a dual entry unit, so there is a door in the bedroom as well as a door to the main living area. For bedroom storage, you have this nice little ward, a drawer next to each bedside table, and of course the overhead storage as well. One nice thing that I really like about these new Brinkley units is the reading light nook area next to each bedside table. It has your little light as well as outlet and USB access, so you can plug your phone in there, a little hidden cubby there. You can also plug in your CPAP, things like that. We ordered this unit with two ACs, one in the bedroom and one in the main living area, but typically it comes standard with a single 18K Chill Cube AC with the heat pump included. So regardless, you will have nice and cool AC in this unit. That is another one of the 2027 additions to the Model Ix lineup. Back to the main bedroom, you have TV, antenna, and cable hookup in the bedroom if you are interested in adding a TV. You've got more storage underneath the bed, which is where you will find your chairs and things like that, as well as some drawers down below. I was showing you a little bit earlier that the lights are dimmable in this unit as well, which is also nice. And the bedroom does have a pocket style sliding door, so you can close it off to have that sort of separation from the main living space and the bedroom to give you some more privacy. Moving on, we are coming over to the star of the show, the bunkhouse. You've got two double over double bunks here. A nice thing about this is that each bunk has a window, so it doesn't feel like a dungeon. You've also got these nice privacy curtains here, as well as a light and a little cubby hole for your belongings in each bunk as well. Down below the bunks, you have 4 separate drawers. This is perfect for storing all of your belongings for whoever is staying in the bunks. And of course, that really nice built-in integrated ladder, so you don't have to haul one around all the time. Last but not least, we are heading into the bathroom. This is a really nice sized bathroom for a unit this size. You've got a full 36 by 30 inch shower. You will find your tankless water heater control in the bathroom as well. You've also got a skylight and a 12-volt exhaust fan in the bathroom, again helping it not feel so much like a dungeon. You've got tons of storage space underneath the sink, as well as a nice little open storage area. And this beautiful little medicine cabinet, I just think is a really nice touch. And of course, you've got a porcelain foot flush toilet in this unit. That's pretty much what's going on the inside. Now let's check out the outside. On the outside, you have a fully fiberglass exterior here. The updates on the outside will be the automotive painted fiberglass front cap, as well as the addition to the lightweight solid entry steps. They are standard on every second entry door model, so the lightweight solid entry steps will come on this unit for both entries, which is nice. You've got a nice large pass-through storage compartment on this unit as well, with all of your solar, your battery, and your 12-volt disconnects. You've got a power tongue jack as well as your LP tanks around the front on the A-frame. Coming around the off-door side to the off-door side pass-through storage compartment, you will find your exterior hot and cold shower, as well as your Brinkley on-command docking and utility center. Everything is really nice and centralized, makes it easier for you for camp setup. And of course, you've got your basement utility access, so you can access things like your wire harness, your plumbing, and stuff like that, again, making it easier for you. Down below, you've got 4 manual stab jacks, as well as a heated and enclosed underbelly that is circulated forced air. Moving back around to the off-door side again, we've got your ladder to get up on the roof. You've got your one-piece PVC roofing membrane up top that is nice and sturdy, UV resistant, and things like that, so your roof is going to be nice and solid, but it's always good to make sure you get up there and check it every 90 days to make sure there's no tears, cracks, or anything like that. On the rear side of the camper, you will find your rear camera, as well as another little storage compartment that leads to underneath the bunks. Moving back around to the door side of the unit, you've got this nice little outdoor refrigerator, perfect for keeping some drinks cold and stuff like that. Just a nice little addition. Last but not least on this unit, your running gear includes your Hankook Load Range E10-ply tires with custom 15-inch wheels, as well as Road Armor suspension equalizer system, which is going to make sure that you have a nice and sturdy ride throughout all of your travels. So that was the 2027 Brinkley Model Ix 24X. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. As always, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.